He is Peter, the leader of business team, and he is dealing with multiple requests from his team members. He's stuck with a lot of ticket and backlog and trying to figure out how to arrange the task effectively. With TeamBoard ProScheduler, we make your work better. You can assign a task to multiple members at once without going the extra mile to duplicate tickets. Now, you can easily adjust work allocation with our drag-and-drop capabilities, or go to planning details to plan more. That is how ProScheduler keeps your work visualized, making it easy to track who is responsible for each task.
Meet Joey, always smiling and ready to take on any task without hesitation. She works from dawn to dusk and still has many tasks waiting for her. But we got a solution for her. TeamBoard ProScheduler helps you manage your workload better. In the schedule board, click here to turn on the workload. Red items mean they're overloaded. Let's expand it and reschedule the tasks to balance out their working capacity. You can easily drag and drop tasks to assign to other team member, or move them to a date highlighted in blue, indicating it has more available capacity. Adjusting their workload until it turns green, fulfilling their working capacity. After finishing, go to the Time Log tab and log your work. Use this data to see how your actual workload is going. TeamBoard ProScheduler makes it easier than ever to visualize your workload, track your capacity, and better task distribution.
Hey, have you started to work on the conduct survey task?
I'm waiting for Liam to finish the market research.
But he's almost done with it. Don't you know? Our tasks are automatically updated.
Wait, what?
You can go to ProScheduler to check it out.
Now, you can automate task scheduling without having to manually adjust each ticket. Simply link your tickets using drag and drop to set task dependencies. Then, go to the board setting and turn on auto-scheduling mode. Click on the dependency line and enter the number of times needed to reschedule the tasks. Your tasks are now automatically updated. But that's not all. With TeamBoard ProScheduler, you can plan and manage multiple projects at once by adding them into a portfolio. This allows business team leaders to manage work for their whole team easier than ever. Are you ready to transform your team's productivity? TeamBoard ProScheduler. Make your workflow better.